about to make some poppy seed chicken casserole. And if you've never had this wonderful classic chicken casserole, you are missing out. This is probably my all-time favorite chicken casserole. It is so good, in fact, that I take it to people like when someone dies and passes away, or if I want to cheer someone up or they're sick. This is that dish. This is great to take to family gatherings too. I have got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. You heard it just go off. It's ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a 9 by 13 baking dish, and we are going to oil this down. And if y'all could only see on the other side of this camera, this bar is a mess. I need to be cleaning this, but I like to oil my dishes down with just some olive oil or some avocado oil and a paper towel. You do you. If you use Pam, you do you. Now, I'm going to take, I think I have about 4 chicken breasts here, and I'm going to put them in this baking dish. Next, you're gonna grab a bowl, and just a small bowl, and we are going to use 1 can of cream of chicken. So go ahead and open that up. We're going to use 1 cup of sour cream, and that is 8 ounces, and I've got 16 ounces, so I'm gonna use half of this. And let me grab a spoon. My granddaughter went down for a nap, so I'm trying to throw this together before she wakes up. Okay, so I've got 1 8-ounce cup of sour cream in here and 1 can of cream of chicken. Go ahead and mix that up really well. This casserole is so easy, and y'all know I love easy. But you just mix these 2 ingredients together, the sour cream and the cream of chicken, and we're just gonna pour this on top. Now you can double this recipe if you like, but just to cut back on calories, I'm not going to. This is typically how we make it, but it's just me and my husband, and that's a lot. And after that cheesecake, we probably need to cut back. It's gonna look like this, and this is so easy. Just grab a sleeve of Ritz crackers. I've actually got the vegetable Ritz crackers, and they're so yummy. They add a little flavor to it. But go ahead and crush those up. And I like to crush them in the pack using the side of my meat tenderizer. Sprinkle these right on top. Okay, I've got a half a stick of butter here that I'm just gonna pour on top of this. Yum, yum, yum. Y'all, it is so beautiful here in Tennessee today. Oh my goodness, the weather couldn't be any better. I love the fall. I don't know about y'all, but the fall has always been one of my favorite times of year. I feel like it's a time to reflect. And as I get older though, I notice that I really think about my loved ones that have went on in the fall, and just a time for reflection of that. I miss my daddy every day, and it does feel worse in the fall. So if some of you are going through that, you're not alone. You are not alone. I guess when the leaves fall, you think of, I don't know, you just think of people that have passed on, or I do, or some of you like that. Okay, so now that I have got that done, the butter drizzled on, you can put poppy seeds on top of this. That's why it's called poppy seed chicken casserole. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. I don't put a lot, maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 pinches of it on top. And this looks so good already. Now I'm going to put this in the oven, and I'm going to bake this on 350 degrees for about 40 minutes or so. I'll get this out and I'll let you see what it looks like. I don't have to taste it. I'm here to tell y'all, this is good. And voila. This is the best chicken casserole that you will ever make. If you've never made it, you might want to try this one out. We've been making this for years. My mom makes it, I make it. This recipe's been around a long time. Oh, and one other thing, I did cook this for about 45 minutes. I'm gonna go get some house cleaning done while that baby's sleeping, and I hope all of you have a wonderful day.